Hey boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach here in Rockland. Really excited to be with you again with our drawing that we've been working on this week. So today's number is 4, but let's look and see what we have so far. So how many suns do we have? So hold up the number of fingers that shows how many suns we have. So you should have up one finger, right? We have one sun. Okay, and how many flowers do we have? Show me with number of fingers. So you should have up 3, oops, let's do it this way. Here we go. 3 fingers, right? Because we have 3 flowers. Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay. And how many leaves do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we should still have 3. We have a lot of 3s because yesterday's number was 3. Okay. And we also have 3 insects. I have, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Right? I have a spider, butterfly, and a little ant down here. So let's add another cloud to make it 4 clouds. Okay. I'm going to show you how I did my cloud. All I do is I just take a pen. You can use whatever color you like. And I just kind of draw whatever shape you like, right? Because clouds come in all different shapes. So it's really up to you. But do I have 4 clouds? Let's count. I'm going to start over here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I have 4. What if I count my clouds over here, starting from this direction? Will I still get 4? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, doesn't matter which way I count, right? Okay, so you're gonna, just like yesterday, you're going to pause the video in a second, and I want you to make 4. You should have 4 insects. You should have 4 flowers. And you should have 4 leaves and 4 birds. So you're going to add one more of each one of those, so you have 4 of each. Okay, so pause the video, and when you come back, I'll have already done mine. All right, I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye. Hello, so welcome back. So do you notice that my drawing looks different? So let's see, do I have 4 leaves? Let's count. I have... Can you find 4 of them? Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've got 4 leaves. Do you have 4 leaves? Great job. Can you find the new insect that I drew? Yeah, can you point to it on the computer? Do you see I drew a little bumblebee right here on the flower, right? Because they love the nectar of the flower. So do we have 4? I have 4 insects. I have 1, the bumblebee, 2, the ant, 3, the butterfly, and 4, the spider. All right, so great. So there's 4. Do I have 4 flowers? Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I do have 4 flowers. Do you have 4 flowers? This time I drew, it should be purple, but it looks blue on the video. And of course we have our 4 clouds. Okay, also, do you see that I drew another bird? How many birds do I have? Do you see it? Can you point to it on the computer? Yep, there it is right there. Another blue bird. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 birds. All right, I've got 2 red ones and 2 blue ones, and that makes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so our number of the day is 4. If you want to make it so you have 4 little animals or 4 little raindrops or something else to add to your picture, that's great. Tomorrow will be our last time doing our picture. Can you guess what the number of the day is tomorrow? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. All right, 5. Very exciting. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Great job.